Hi guys, RoboPhil here, and today we're going to do a Temi Go unboxing and show you very quickly how we get it out of the box and get this little guy running. Hi guys, so we're doing a Temi Go unboxing today. So this is the bigger brother from the Temi robot, but it has the exact same software. The main purpose of this robot is food delivery for restaurants, food courts, offices and retail. And it's an autonomous system for point-to-point delivery. Obviously you have the same features as Temi, where we have the screen commands, voice or the Temi center to control it. So yep, let's unbox it and see what we got. Okay, obviously always be careful with knives, and let's see what we got. This is the charging station, which we will get set up to show you how everything works. So we have the padding and obviously a little ramp, so let's get him out and see what we got. Okay. So essentially that's that, the little ramp, and then we can get him to come down here. Push that off the back. And down he comes. Whoa. Alright, so there we have him, fresh out of the box with his 3 trays and screen all ready to go. So next step is we are going to just get him up and running and do a little bit of some missions. Okay, so the first part is the charger. So we've got this here, like magic. In here you will get your plug, and then the docking station, which is this little guy. Hopefully you can all see this. So basically it's a 2-prong system which we're going to set up against the wall, and we're going to get Temi going into it. Temi Go. So the charger is now ready. Okay, so here we have the system, and we're going to back it into the docking station, like so. Make that straight. And then the Temi Go has an on button, which is underneath here. Right, I'm going to let him boot up. Right, so we switched the Temi Go on, and now we're going to do a simple map exercise and simple positioning exercises to set some locations. So the way I do this, I can either do it through my phone or my laptop. This occasion I'm going to do it on my phone to get him to follow me, and then we're going to simply be able to do a map. So the way the mapping works is that you put it to follow me mode, which is essentially triggers on the mapping mode, and then you walk around the restaurant or walk around the office or the factory or the site. The robot creates a 2D map, and then from that you can then set some locations and away you go. So I'm just going to get this from my phone so you can see how it works. So now the robot is in follow me mode, so I can walk around, and essentially this is how I would map out the location. He would follow me around. The robot's building a 2D map, which I will show on my laptop later, and create a nice 2D map for you. Then once you've got the 2D map, then you can go on to create locations. So you simply say we had 4 tables. So we have a table over here. I can mark on here and create 1 location. I can create a location closer to here. And then we're going to turn around and create a location back here. side as well. And then essentially we have made the map and made the locations. So if I end this call, then within the software, the locations are tracked. He's still on follow me mode, so I'm just going to switch that off. So essentially this is where we've put the locations into the robot, and then all we have to do is send them there. So I'll just go and tell him to go to location 4. So again, off he goes, table number 4, and lines up. At this stage, you can then get the robot to run a sequence. It could be someone speaking, it could be an explanation of what the food is or what the parts are, what that person needs to do. I'll send it to the next location that we created. Let's go location 3. I believe that one's in the corner. Here we go. Not that exciting, but that one's there. And then we'll just put this to location 1. And basically, I think I wanted to show how simple this was to get the robot up and running in very fast time. You don't need any other infrastructure apart from obviously the charging station. And we have him going to location 1, which is just sat there. Obviously I've done only a few small locations in a small space, so I can show you on the video camera. But essentially, yeah, the Temi Go, it's a very fast way to set up a robot in a restaurant with the charging station and docking, which what we will do now. And then obviously once he's finished his task, you can send him back to the home, back to the kitchen, or simply back to the home-based docking station. So off he goes there. And the brilliant thing about this robot is similar to Temi Go. Again, it runs the same software, which means that you have a whole collection of different tools, software tools for video conferencing, app creation. There's also some of these that are doing receptionist jobs as well as the delivery jobs, so it can be a multitask robot. And the SLAM system is a very, very good one from we've seen from other models. And again, it's a very fast, quick, effective way to get in and test out the world of robotics in restaurants using the Temi Go. Thanks again, guys. I hope you enjoyed the quick overview of unboxing Temi Go.